Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shib could surge to 0.17 in a bullish macro scenario where risk assets rally as markets pare back hawkish Fed bets. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Shiba Inu could outperform. Shiba Inu is currently moored within recent 0.95-105 ranges and its 21 and 50 DMAs amid US Independence Day thin trading volumes. But its short-term technical setup is looking positive, with a potential retest of June's 0.12 highs on the cards. In a risk-on scenario of Fed tightening bets being paired, Shib could even surge as high as 0.17. Market update: Shiba Inu remains locked within recent 0.95-105 ranges. The cryptocurrency's 21-day moving average in the 960s is providing support to the downside, while the 50 DMA in the 1040s is providing resistance to the upside. Range-bound trade across cryptocurrency markets over the weekend and on Monday isn't too surprising given US market closures for Independence Day. Crypto traders are also keeping their powder dry given upcoming important macro risk events such as the release of Fed meeting minutes on Wednesday plus the official US labor market report for June on Friday. This week's data, central bank information could develop narratives about the outlook for the US economy and Fed policy, which crypto has been sensitive in recent weeks. Broadly, anything that results in market expectations shifting in favor of more aggressive Fed tightening has been negative and vice versa. That has not so much been the case in the last 2 weeks. Analysts, economists are increasingly expecting a US recession and have as such been paring back on their long-term hawkish Fed bets, as seen by the sharp pullback in US bond yields from recent highs. But risk assets like stocks and crypto have failed to mount a sustained recovery, probably as investors focus more on near-term economic risks rather than how this might soften Fed hawkishness in 2023 and beyond. This is a narrative that may shift in July. For instance, say market participants start focusing more on the Fed, perhaps cutting rates in late 2023-2024 as a recession helps bring inflation back to target. Such thinking might lead to investors viewing risk assets, like stocks and crypto, in a more favorable light. A broad rebound is a possibility if July produces more bad news on the US economy, and this bad news is taken as softening the Fed's stance. Decent short-term technical outlook back to the crypto community's second favorite cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. Shib's short-term technicals look promising for the bulls. Over the weekend, as it continued to hold above 0.10, Shib broke to the north of a downtrend that has been in play since the end of June. Meanwhile, the pair has also continued to find support from an uptrend that has been in play going all the way back to mid-June. In other words, Shib looks to have broken to the upside of a short-term pennant structure. This is typically viewed as a bullish sign for technicians, who would normally then target a retest of recent highs. In Shiba's case, this implies a retest of late June highs around 0.12. For now, thin crypto market volumes amid US Independence Day weekend and the presence of the 50 DMA, which has been offering resistance, is keeping the bulls at bay. But maybe the bulls can take control when US market participants return on Tuesday. The first full trading week of July could well see Shib push above its 50 DMA, opening the door for a run higher towards the June highs. Could Shiba Inu rally to upper 10s this July? Say the above-noted short-term bull case does play out and Shib is trading back near the 0.12 area by this time next week. It then had a formidable area of resistance to crack above if it wishes to continue the rally. Between 0.12 and 0.13 lay a series of June and mid to late May highs. But if the macro scenario that is broadly bullish for risk assets, markets betting on a less aggressive Fed as growth, inflation expectations weaken, Shiba Inu could be primed for even more upside. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that is viewed as more of a collector's item than anything else owing to its lack of utility, is seen as one of the most speculative assets in the crypto space. Shib is highly susceptible to rapid price movements that are driven purely by retail trader, investor emotions such as fear and greed. In that sense, if cryptocurrency prices are broadly on the rise, greedy investors, or those feeling a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, might start piling into Shib once again. This could be the catalyst Shiba Inu needs to clear the 0.12 to 0.13 resistance area to the upside. Above this area, there is very little by notable levels of resistance until around 0.17. A swift, FOMO-powered 30% rally from 0.13 to 0.17 as a possibility in the bullish scenario. Of course, a lot has to go right for all of this to play out as the bulls are hoping. Shib traders should bear in mind a bearish scenario where the cryptocurrency breaks below its recent support trendline this month. This could open the door to a drop towards recent lows just above 0.7, a 30% decline from current levels. Shiba Inu-led developer Shitoshi Kusama has a lot to say in 24 hours major announcement incoming. Lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shitoshi Kusama, is video and has a lot to say in 24 hours. The lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shitoshi Kusama, might come up with some major announcements in 24 hours. The announcement is expected to come in the form of the Medium blog post, as Shitoshi Kusama recently posted a tweet stating, "Today I write. Tomorrow I will have a lot to say #ShibarMe." Following the tweet, Shiba Inu community gets excited and is eagerly waiting to hear some good news from the leader. Shitoshi Kusama to reveal Shibarium documentation. The community expects there are 99% chances that the lead developer of Shib will release an official Shibarium documentation through his upcoming Medium blog post, as this comes after Unification X Fund reveals the plan to deploy Shibarium public beta testnet in Q3, along with the fund testnet upgrade incorporating the much-anticipated IBC, Gravity, W fund updates. Shibarium is now the talk of the town. Rumors about the launch of the Shibarium Layer -2 solution are taking place all across social media, especially on Twitter. Even Unification Fund, a blockchain solution provider who is directly involved in the development of Shibarium blockchain, has recently released an update about Shibarium on June 24, Friday. In a recently published Medium blog post, Fund officially confirms the successful running of Shibarium private alpha testnet for the past few weeks, allowing the team of developers to create the necessary support tools before the public beta testnet deployment. The company further states that the development team is busy developing the wallet application. Fund also has shared details about the key tool, the wallet application, via an official blog post in the following words: "The primary tool under heavy development is the wallet application, which is intended to be an all-inclusive application covering two-way asset transfers between L1 and L2, asset transfers on each respective level, staking, delegating, and in future releases, ShibaSwap integration, which will also be deployed on L2. At the same time, X Fund reveals the plan to deploy Shibarium public beta testnet in Q3, along with the fund testnet upgrade incorporating the much-anticipated IBC, Gravity, W fund updates. Upcoming announcement might feature Shib X Red Bull. Besides Shibarium documentation, the community also guesses the upcoming announcement might be related to the Shib X Red Bull partnership. However, the chances are low, as no official update about the meeting has been released since May 19, when Red Bull scheduled a meeting with Shiba Inu's team for the first time via chat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.